Smart Money Moves, your essential guide to personal finance, budgeting, and wise investments in 2023 Upward Trend Money Bag. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's both practical and vital for securing your financial future. Whether you're new to managing money or looking to enhance your skills, this video is tailored for you. We'll discuss personal finance, budgeting, and making wise investments in the dynamic landscape of 2023. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Understanding personal finance. To start, let's grasp the basics of personal finance. We'll cover income, expenses, and why tracking your financial flow is crucial. Also, we'll explore setting realistic financial goals that align with your aspirations and life stage. Segment 2. Budgeting made easy. Budgeting doesn't have to be daunting. We'll break down creating a budget step by step. Learn how to categorize expenses, allocate funds for essentials and leisure, and strike a balance between saving and spending. Segment 3. Supercharge your savings. Saving money doesn't mean sacrifice. We'll share practical tips to trim unnecessary expenses, negotiate better deals, and automate savings. Plus, discover the power of emergency funds as a financial safety net. Segment 4. Navigating investments. Curious about making your money work for you? We'll explore beginner-friendly investment options. Learn about compound interest, the basics of stocks, bonds, and get an introduction to index funds and robo-advisors. Segment 5. Staying informed in 2023. Staying updated is crucial in the evolving financial landscape. We'll offer tips on tracking financial trends, technological advances, and utilizing resources for informed decisions. Segment 6. Debt management strategies. In this segment, we'll tackle the elephant in the room, debt. Discover effective strategies to manage and reduce your debt burden. We'll explore the snowball and avalanche methods, as well as the importance of prioritizing high-interest debts. Segment 7. Building a strong credit profile. Your credit score plays a significant role in your financial journey. Learn how credit scores work, why they matter, and steps to build a strong credit profile. We'll discuss responsible credit card usage, timely payments, and monitoring your credit report. Segment 8. Long-term financial planning. Looking beyond the immediate, we'll delve into long-term financial planning. Explore concepts like retirement planning, estate planning, and investment diversification. Learn how to create a holistic financial plan that aligns with your life goals. And that's a wrap on your crash course in personal finance, budgeting, and wise investments for 2023. Remember, managing finances secures your future and dreams. If you found this valuable, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial advice. Until next time, take care and make those smart money moves.